Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Libara SIM card in Germany quickly and easily. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to libara.de. That's the official Libara Germany website. Once you are there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the page. From the menu, select SIM activation. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin the activation process. Next, grab your smartphone and open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for and download the Libara mobile app. After installing, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to register your SIM card. You'll need to enter some basic details to verify and activate your SIM. Once registration is complete, your Libara SIM card will be activated and you'll be ready to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data in Germany. And that's it! You've successfully activated your Libara SIM card in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.